here to do a real fast video on this bag that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. This is called the Coach Town bucket bag, and I got it in the color black. And like I said, I purchased this off of the Facebook Marketplace. Well, no, I didn't. I got it off of the Facebook Coach group. That's where I got it from, the Facebook Coach group. And the lady, she was selling it, and she sold it at a really great price. She sold it to me for $125. And it's brand new, never been used. It still has the paper on the thingy or whatever. And the only thing with it was that it comes with a longer crossbody strap, and she wanted to keep that strap, which is fine with me because I feel like this is too big of a bag to be wearing crossbody for me. But I like the top handle or whatever. That'll work better for me. So I was like, for $125, I'll take it, because this bag retails for $3.98. And right now it's on the outlet site, excuse me y'all, the outlet site for like $238.80. So $125, baby, was a good deal. And then it was in the color that I wanted anyway, black. And I didn't realize this bag came in a bunch of different colors. I guess I missed it when it first came out or whatever. But it does has the polished pebbled leather on here. And then it has the two snap closures right here. And then it has this middle compartment that goes all the way down to the bottom, but it's not attached or whatever, so you possibly can have a couple of things that slide up under there, and that's fine. But this pocket does go all the way down there or whatever. But yeah, y'all, so here is the front part of the bag, and then here's the side. There's the back, there's the other side, and then here's the bottom of, oops, a little dusty. But there's the bottom part of the bag. Y'all, I looked the bag over. There's nothing wrong with the bag. No rips, no tears. You can tell it was a brand new bag. And she didn't want it, so I took it. But anyway, like I said, you have the inside two separate compartments. And I normally don't go for bags with these middle compartments because they just irritate me. I like for my stuff to be open. But I was like, I'll give this a try or whatever. That way, if I can have stuff on, you know, certain things on one side and then other things on the other side or whatever. So that's fine with me. And then I can put my phone. It'll go, you know, right here or whatever. So I like that. And I just have a couple of things that I'm going to show you guys that probably would could fit in here, because this, like I said, this is the large, and they do have a smaller one, but this is the large one. I have my happy planner, my mini happy planner, so that does fit right here. You can either do it standing up, or you can do it that way. And then I have this Michael Kors wallet, and I'll put that in there. And then I have I just have this little wristlet thing, and that can go over here on this side. And you can also put like some, if you have like some wipes and stuff. I was trying to see if I had some, but if you have like some packages of wipes, you can also stick those in there, you know, along with your hand sanitizer and stuff like that. And then here's another little wallet, which I'm not going to use all this wallet. I'm just showing y'all what it fit in here. And then here's my little kiss lock thingy. So that goes in there. And just to show you guys that it does hold quite a bit. And then you can just snap it. Snap it. And then there you go. And so I love this bag. It is so cute. Oh, let me show y'all what else I had ordered. I ordered this particular item out of, dang it, I don't even think I have it in here. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I had ordered this this little item I'm about to show y'all. I ordered this off of Facebook Marketplace. This time it did come off the Marketplace. And I have been looking for this item for a minute because I missed it when it was on the site. And of course, y'all know when people buy up all the stuff and then they try to sell it like 3 times what it's worth. So I end up seeing it on Facebook Marketplace and I got it. Ta-da! Y'all, the Coach strawberry, the little charm. Y'all, this is so cute. This is too cute. I love this strawberry. Y'all been wanting this strawberry. I've been wanting this strawberry forever. And I finally was able to get it. The lady had it on there for $35. And I sent her an offer of $30 and she accepted it. And so with taxes and my shipping, it was just $38. So basically what she was offering at first. But yeah, I am so excited for this. And it retails for $98. And I actually had this in one of my Mercaris. I had it as liked or whatever, and the person was wanting like $89, and I was like, I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna try to see if I can wait it out. And y'all, when I saw that on that Facebook Marketplace, baby, I ordered it so fast and I got it yesterday. So y'all, this is so cute. Y'all been wanting this little strawberry forever and a day. And so I finally was able to get it. But I just want to show you guys that. And see how it attaches to the side? That is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Y'all, I'm so excited about my little strawberry. I bet y'all like, why is she excited about a strawberry? Y'all, because this strawberry is popping. Too cute. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my little Facebook finds. And y'all need to, well, y'all don't need to, but if y'all join some of those Facebook groups, as far as like the Coaches and, you know, Michael Kors, they got Louis Vuittons and all those other things or whatever. If y'all join those pages and stuff like that or whatever, you can actually find some really good deals on there when people be trying to resell their stuff, or you may be able to help somebody out that's looking for something or whatever. Because I've bought a couple of items off of the Coach, from the Coach group or whatever, at really, really good prices or whatever. So, and then sometimes you could tell a person you're looking for something and they'll, you know, they may go get it for you and stuff like that or whatever. So you can really find some great stuff. And then same thing with the Facebook Marketplace or whatever, but you do have to be careful on there, because I did order something from a young lady one time and y'all, she never sent it. And a good thing I paid for it with my PayPal account, because they was able to refund me my money. And then plus I sent them like I printed out the screenshots where I kept asking the lady, you know, where's my tracking number? Have you sent it yet? And she never would respond to me or whatever. So I sent out proof of all that, and then I filled out the paperwork, and then they did refund me my total amount of money or whatever. So just be careful or whatever. But through the Coach group, I've never had any problems or whatever. But not saying that they don't have people out there trying to scam you, because they do. But yeah, y'all, this is so cute. So I think I'm gonna rock this little strawberry on this bag, because that's cute, because it has the gold hardware here, and then that's gold or whatever. So I think that is too cute. So freaking cute. And I just wanted to show you guys share with you guys my little deal. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Oh, I love this bag so much. So cute. I may have to get this in a couple more other colors, y'all. I'm just saying, because it comes in a variety of colors. Anyway, y'all, I got to go because I got to get back to work. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.